More news now. Jurors submitting 2 questions today on the first full day of deliberations in the federal corruption trial of former Alderman Ed Burke.
WGN's Mike Lowe has been covering this historic trial from the very start and reports from the Dirksen Federal Building.
Jury deliberations continue here at the Dirksen Federal Courthouse, and late this afternoon, as lawyers gathered inside of Judge Virginia Kendall's 25th floor courtroom, the lawyer for Peter Andrews, a longtime aide to Ed Burke, disclosed that Andrews had been hospitalized, though the lawyer for Andrews would not give any further information about what led to the hospitalization. It was agreed that Andrews would appear before the judge remotely from now on. Ed Burke appeared in Judge Virginia Kendall's courtroom this morning after the jury sent a written question to the bench. It had to do with count 13 against Charles Quay, the Portage Park businessman accused of attempting to bribe Burke to get help with a permit for a Binny's pole sign and with a potential tax increment financing designation for commercial property he owns on Irving Park Road. In the end, the judge and the lawyers decided to tell the jury, quote, "The definitions you need are contained within the instructions under count 13. The jury has nearly 350 pages of instructions to guide them through this complicated indictment, which outlines 4 alleged schemes involving a Burger King franchise, the Field Museum, a Binny's Beverage Depot sign, and the redevelopment of the Old Main Post Office. The key evidence in this case came from secretly recorded conversations and meetings made by former alderman turned government mole Danny Solis.
The cash register has not rung yet.
Burke is charged with 2 co-defendants, and jurors are working their way through each of the charges. Burke, at 79 years old, was the longest-serving alderman in Chicago history and held the powerful position of Finance Committee chairman, controlling Chicago's purse strings for decades. He's charged with racketeering, federal program bribery, attempted extortion, conspiracy to commit extortion, and using interstate commerce to facilitate unlawful activity. 74-year-old Peter Andrews was Burke's right-hand man as a longtime 14th Ward office employee. He's charged only in the Burger King matter with attempted extortion, conspiracy to commit extortion, using interstate commerce to facilitate an unlawful activity, and making a false statement to FBI agents. 52-year-old Charles Quay is an immigration attorney who became a real estate developer. He's charged in connection with the Binny's pole sign ordeal, facing charges of federal program bribery, using interstate commerce to facilitate an unlawful activity, and making false statements to the FBI. The potential punishment is harsh. Racketeering, attempted extortion, and conspiracy to commit extortion charges each carry sentences of up to 20 years. Federal program bribery convictions could receive up to 10 years, and using interstate commerce to promote unlawful activity and making false statements to the FBI can each carry 5-year sentences. Legal experts view this as a complicated case for the jury to sort through, with 3 co-defendants, testimony from nearly 3 dozen witnesses, 100 recordings, and reams of documents. Jury instructions alone were 350 pages. That's 40 pages longer than this book, Inside the Wigwam, which was authored by Ed Burke. Reporting at the Dirksen Federal Building, Mike Lowe, WGN News.